Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. In this opportunity, I, Aditya Marianti, Department of Biology, Universitas Negeri Semarang, would like to present our team research with title Effect of Gamma Cobalt 60 Irradiated Chitosan and Vitamin A toward PP acetate cytotoxicity on rat kidney. We know that red pollution keeps happening, and for certain reasons it is unavoidable, for example, from occupational exposure. Prolonged exposure will cause negative effects on many organs, including kidney. For such reason, a method to minimize the negative effect must be researched. One of the most potential agents to reduce the negative effects of PP ions accumulation in body is chitosan. Chitosan is able to chelate heavy metal. Chitosan irradiation can enhance its effectivity. In order to optimize the antioxidant mechanism, irradiated chitosan is combined with vitamin A. Therefore, aim of research is to assess the effectivity from combination of gamma cobalt 60 irradiated chitosan and vitamin A toward the cytotoxicity of rat kidney, which has been exposed to PP acetate. This research was conducted with the following methods. Research time, April until July 2020. Research place, irradiated gamma cobalt 60 was carried out at Patan. The treatment was carried out in the biology laboratory. The preparation and analysis of kidney tissue was carried out at the Pathoanatomy Laboratory, Faculty of Veterinary Medicine, Gadjah Mada University. 24 adult male rats were randomly analyzed into 6 groups. All groups except control group during 40 days were induced with PP acetate, and 41 days kidney tissue were analyzed. The result can be seen in the following slide. Control group, no apparent transformation. Tissue looks normal. And necrotic nephrosis is apparent in negative control, but in treatment 1, nephrosis is apparent. At treatment 2, no apparent transformation. Tissue looks normal. At treatment 3, nephrosis is apparent, and at treatment 4, nephrosis and interstitial nephritis are apparent. Renal tissue damage is not apparent in control and treatment 2 group. But as for negative control, treatment 1 and treatment 3 and 4 group, renal tissue damage is visible. As the vitamin A dose gets higher, the renal tissue damage becomes more noticeable. Excessive bodily accumulation of ions PP will be transformed into free radicals that enhance oxidative stress. Increasing level of oxidative stress will damage the lipid tissue that builds cell membrane, which leads to necrosis. The most apparent damage resulted from the treatment are nephrosis and necrotic nephrosis. Combination of gamma cobalt 60 irradiated chitosan on the dose of 150 kg and vitamin A on the dose of 1.44 milligram per kilogram body weight combination provides protective effects on PP acetates-induced renal tissue on rats. Irradiated chitosan is more effective in chelating PP ions, whereas vitamin A will scavenger free radicals that protect polyunsaturated fatty acid and protein from oxidative damage, which will maintain the cellular membrane. However, renal tissue damage is also more visible as the vitamin A dose gets higher. Vitamin A acts as pro-oxidant in such condition that the precise vitamin A dose must be determined. Conclusion: combination of gamma cobalt 60 irradiated chitosan on the dose of 150 kg and vitamin A on the dose of 1.44 mg per kilogram body weight is effective to protect the renal tissue of PB acetate exposure rate. As the dose of vitamin A combined with irradiated chitosan gets higher, the combination will become more ineffective in providing protective effect for the rat's kidney, which are exposed to PP acetate.